Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all will be fine. Now today we will start the new topic that is really a new one for you, MS Excel. We will learn about MS Excel as we have already learned about different components of Microsoft that are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and now we are doing the third one, which is MS Excel. So let's talk about the introduction of MS Excel. It is basically a software that helps us to manage and arrange data into the form of tables. Now, what are the tables? Tables are a combination of rows and columns. Tables have different identities. They can be used to form the timetable as we have it into your classrooms. They can be in the form of your homework schedule, your diary plan, and your report card, your result. That is very important for you. Okay, so this one is also called spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? It is a new term as we have used different vocabularies, but no need to worry about it. It is simply your table. That is the combination of rows and columns. Okay, now the question is this: if I can use or I can design table in MS Word, why I am using MS Excel for that? The answer is that MS Excel enables us to record thousands data within one file. That is not possible in your MS Word files, as MS Word is in the combination of different pages. Your page will support only 30 records or 30 lines or 30 forms or rows. Okay? But that is not possible if you are holding a bigger data or the bigger number of records. So now let's talk about the similarities. I have told you that MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and now MS Excel, they all are within a package of your Microsoft suite. It means that when you install MS Office, you will get these three all. Now, if they are similar, there must be some similarities. The first one is your title bar. As you can see here, it is having the same icon but a different one. MS Word is having the blue icon, MS PowerPoint is having the red icon, but MS Excel is having a green icon. Which one is it? Green. Okay, second one is another familiar thing for you, that is the quick access toolbar. It works in the same way, having the save file option, redo and undo option. Then we have the name of file or the title of the file, and at the end we have control buttons. Same control buttons, nothing new: close, minimize and maximize. Second option is of tabs. We have same tabs. Now what are the tabs? If you can recall, it work as your file folders, and it will allow you to open different options on single page. So we have same file menu that is used to open file, delete file, rename file, print file, and extra. And now next one is your home. Home is working with the same. We are having bold, italic, underline options, line spacing, bullet and numbering and all that. Then second one is insert. As similar in your Word, in your PowerPoint, it helps us to insert the table, insert the shape, insert the picture. But here in this one, we can also insert different other tables within one table. Okay, the next one is also familiar. Is it familiar? Yes, but with a slight difference. It is same ribbon that we have below the tabs. Your home tab ribbon display different options like bold, italic, underline, but now this one is having with the very other things, including other things as well, that we will talk about later. Okay, another familiar thing, that is your second last bar. It is your status bar, but working in the same way, having the view option and the zoom option. What is zoom? It is similar as in your mobile phones to make a bigger picture or the smaller picture, and zoom a view option is also similar with your PowerPoint, having different views of your screen. Then another similarity, that is your taskbar having the same four components. Taskbar never change because it will be all the time visible on your desktop, and it is not the part of your software, it's a part of your desktop. So if you change the window, then it may change, but otherwise it cannot be. So taskbar is having all the four components: start button, quick launch toolbar, system tray, and notification area. Now, differences. Now, what is this? It means that now we will talk about the new things that we are having in Excel but not previously in Word and is PowerPoint. Okay, the first one is the sheet. Sheet is the combination of rows and columns. Simply you can call that it is a place to enter data, and it is your table. It is a place where you can enter your data without adding your rows or columns. Okay, so MS Excel is a new thing for you, but it will be very helpful because it do not want you to adding rows and column all the times, and you need to do it in MS Word, but it will allow you to keep on adding data instead of adding rows and columns multiple times. Okay, it means that we have already added 1000 rows and columns. Okay, the second one is the cell. Cell is the intersecting point, or you may call it the common point of one row and one column. Where your one row and one column joins, we will call it one cell. Simply in your language, you can call one box. I will show you on the screen later. Okay, one horizontal line in a table, as we can see in different other tables, it is your row, and the one vertical line, it is your column. How you remember horizontal and vertical line? Vertical lines are similar with your earth vertices lengthwise, and horizontal lines are with your horizon line widthwise. Now this is your MS Excel screen. Um, Now let's find out all the similarities first. What are the common points? This one, it's your title bar. Okay, now it is your title bar, and you can see that it is similar with having all the four components. The first one is your icon, the green one having the X, then your quick access toolbar. Okay, and the other one is your control button, same, so no need to worry about. The second component that is also similar is your tabs. We have the same tabs: home, insert, layout, view, data, and all things. Then ribbon. Ribbon is the place where you can have the options of different tabs available. Ribbon is different, as you can see that these are not available in your MS PowerPoint, MS Word. They may be different because we are having a different sheet below. Okay, now this one is your active cell. Now, what is a cell? Cell is a box. As you can see, there are multiple boxes around here. This is your sheet area. Okay, so each sheet is having different types of rows and column. The lengthwise lines, like this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these are your columns, and the row wise line that we are having it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here are your rows, and the combination of row, or the intersecting point of a row and column, is your one cell that is shown over here in the form of A. Okay, now A1, what is this one? It will display you the address of your cell. Address means, as we are having our home address, street number, house number, and all that, it will be given same. Okay, this is another new thing, sheet tab. Sheet tab, as you can see that we have multiple pages in MS Word, multiple slides in MS PowerPoint. So another similarity, we have multiple sheets in our MS Excel. MS Excel sheets are in the form of different tables. We have sheet 1 over here, but we can add another sheets that I will tell you later on, that how to add another sheet. So another sheet means another page. Okay, as we can have page 1 in Word, page slide 1 in MS in PowerPoint, so we can have sheet 1 in your Excel. And if you add to another, if you want to add another page, you can click on this button +1, and it will be giving you another sheet. These are your rows, I have told you before, and these are your columns. that I've already told you before. Now only one component is left, that is over here, your cell address, and this one will be showing you cell content. Cell address, what is cell address? I have told you it's a combination of your row and column. Okay, it will display the column heading first and then your row. So the first one is shown, the active cell address is A1. If I be clicking anywhere else, it will display you the other one. For example, my cursor is here. Can you tell me the address of the box in which I am having the cursor? Over here it is your E4. Look here, E4. So this is how we will appoint address to any cell. Now maybe the last component of today's video, this is your cell content. Whatever written in your active cell will be displayed in this bar. It works in a two-way. If you are adding only the data into your cells or the boxes, it will be shown your data only. Like if you have written 1 2 3, it will be displayed same over here. But if you want to use your cell as the sum of different other records or different other numbers you may call, then it will work as your formula bar. This part over here, fx, helps you to add different types of formulas to your worksheet, to your page, or to your table. So hope everything is clear, and if you have any query, you can comment. And so let's recap today's um, topic. We have spreadsheet first, that is the combination of rows and columns, and it will save your record in the form of rows and columns. It will also help to arrange your data in individual cells. And the basic purpose of your Excel, as I have told you before, we can make a table in MS Word simply, but what is the basic concept to make a table in Excel? That it allow you to add multiple thousands record in one page or on one sheet, but it also helps you to calculate. So this is the new concept, and this is the very important concept of having Excel, that it helps you to calculate automatically. I do not need to add the records, I do not need to enter your numbers and make a report card, but I will only enter your numbers and it will be automatically added in the form of total. Automatically percentage will be given, and automatically your grades will be calculated. So thank you students. Allah Hafiz.